Have you ever wanted to speak English, but when the moment comes, your mind goes blank? Such situation is happening with you? Trust me, you are not alone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn English with PAMI. If you are new to my YouTube channel, my name is Patma. The purpose of creating YouTube channel is taking as a stage where I can speak English to improve my speaking English skills. So if you are part of my this YouTube channel, we will learn English together step by step. Okay. So, but in today's video, I'm going to share something real, that is learning English, speaking in English is difficult, is challenges in the beginning. Is it, do you feel speaking English is difficult in the beginning? So, so yes, I personally feel that it's very difficult to speak English. Why we are feeling difficult to speak in English? There are so many reasons. Because of that, we are facing number of difficulties to speak in English. Okay, but in this today's video, I'm going to share top few reasons because of that we are not able to speak English. So number one reason is that fear of making mistakes. So many people are not always speaking English. I personally feel that because when somebody is speaking in English, they understand what they are saying, right? But what is the problem is that we are afraid to make mistake in front of others. Because of that reason, we are not able to speak English. So sometime there is a moment where we understand, where we know the sentence in our mind, but we are afraid to speak because we are pre-interpreted in our mind that if I said something wrong, what people will judge us. If I say something grammatical mistake, what people will say. If people will laugh, then can I do? Nothing can be done, right? So it's okay to make mistake, because from mistake we learn. If we make mistake, from that mistake we get to know what we are doing mistake, right? So that's why it's okay to make mistake. Don't be afraid. We Every fluent speaker was made mistake, learn from mistake, then they become a fluent speaker, right? That's why it's okay. Don't be afraid to make mistake. Okay. So number second thing is that lack of environment. We You may deeply love English speaking skills, you may love English speaking, but we don't have always people around us whom we can practice with, right? So for example, in my home, in our workplace, everybody is speaking in local language. That's why. But I always already told to you that I love English speaking. I love to learn this skill. That's why I'm so obsessed with this language. That's why I um I learn from YouTube channel. I'm trying to read books where I can consume English related content, right? But what we are lacking is that what we are consuming content from YouTube and books, but we are lack of environment. We don't have partner, we don't have a company where we can practice with what we learn from YouTube channels and so other material. What we learn from them, that we are not people around us whom we practice. Because of that, we are facing difficulties in the beginning. Okay. So but environment will not comes to us automatically. We need to create, right? So that's why the purpose of creating this YouTube channel is a kind of speaking partners. Okay. So that's why if you are obsessed to learn this speaking skill, speaking no, if you are really wanted to English, learn English, then create environment by yourself. Okay. So environment will not come, right? We need to create. Just talk, but talk alone, just shadowing practice, watch in the mirror and start speaking random, without judgment. Make mistake, okay? So just say whatever you wanted to say, but create a environment you need, where we can, where we can talk in English, okay? So because that's why we are, because of lack of practice, we are not able to speak English. So there's so many reasons will come, but if you are willing to learn this speaking skill, just go ahead, okay? So number third reason why we are facing English speaking is difficult. The third reason is that I feel that we are comparing with other fluent speaker, right? But then we feel demotivated and discouraged, right? But always remember, every fluent speaker was once a beginner, right? They also made mistake, learn from mistake, and they become a fluent speaker, right? That's why it's okay. It's okay. If we are walking from the chapter number one, do not compare your chapter number one with someone else chapter number five. That then we feel demotivated all the time. That's why do not compare it with yourself, what you learn earlier, what kind of person you are, and now what you are, you become. Just compare it with yourself, okay? Because for example, every child, take this example, every child do not learn running on the first day, right? They also started, first they crawl, then they start slow walking, and then they learn running, right? Same journey is with English, because similar journey, this English journey is also similar, like how child started to learn running, okay? So that's why do not compare with yourself, okay? Yourself with someone else. So, and these are the reason why we are not able to speak English. We are facing difficulties in the beginning. So personally, I'm facing so many difficulties. There was a moment where I wanted to speak continuously in English. I wanted to create environment in my own home, and workplace, but that people will judge us, right? Because of the environment, they judge us. Then we stop ourselves, right? So, but one thing that never allow me to stop is that I always said to you that I'm so obsessed to learn this English. That's why my desire to learn English, because of that desire, it not allow me to stop, okay? So these are the reason. So if you are facing difficulties uh, to speak English, just, it's okay. Just speak with wrong English, make mistake, learn from mistake, because always practice, fluency will come after practice, right? Not after, not before practice. So that's why practice and speaking is the only key to bring fluency in this speaking skills. So that's why immerse yourself with the English related content whenever you are getting free time. Just immerse, just mm, take consume of English content, English related content, okay? If you are getting free time, do not watch random video or entertainment. Just watch something. If you are a mobile person, if you are a book person, then uh, take some books and read that books. If you are a mobile person, then from that mobile we can consume so many English related content, phrasal verb, idioms, mm, so many content, right? If you are ready, if you are willing to learn, then learning material is everywhere. So if you people relate to this video, So please support my journey by liking this video and sharing it with more people, and subscribe to my channel for more English related content. So, and tell me in the comment section, what is the biggest challenges that you are facing? So, is it your environment? Is it your lack of mm, uh, grammar? Is it your low confidence? What is your challenges? What is your biggest fear, biggest challenges that you are facing? So with this, I'm going to signing off this video. If you like this video, share it with more people, those who wanted to English, or those who wanted to learn English, always talking about English all the time. That's why I share it with more people. They can relate with me, and they will also create an environment where I did this YouTube channel, and they will also do uh, to work on their communication as well as English speaking skills. Thank you so much for watching, giving your precious time to me. Thank you. Bye bye.